What we have here today is some very uneven concrete here. It's over an inch or like 27 millimeters. And instead of replacing it or trying to patch that, I'm going to take an angle grinder and a cup wheel and grind it down. Before we get started, it creates quite a bit of dust. You're going to want to have a dust mask, and if you don't have one of those, at the minimum a bandana over your face. Need some earplugs, some safety glasses. This is the it's a diamond wheel, diamond coated grinding wheel that you put on an angle grinder. I'm just going to give a quick suggestion here. If you have a angle grinder from Harbor Freight or Princess Auto in Canada, it is not going to be powerful enough. You're just going to burn up your unit. This one happens to be a 6 amp and it's very challenged at that, so you'll need 6 amps or better. And your wheel here, I believe this one is a Bosch. They're around $40 US, or a DeWalt. If you get a name brand one, they definitely are better quality and last a little longer. Okay, here is our final product here. It is considerably more level. Unfortunately, I overdid the angle grinder there, so I'll have to stop for today and procure a new angle grinder. Perhaps I'll get the 11 amp DeWalt. I hope this video is helpful.